What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to void a shipping label or get your refund for the shipping label. Let's say you messed it up and you have to ship another one. So you go to my eBay at the top right, selling, you click on selling. From there on the top left, you go to orders and you go all the way down to shipping labels. Click on that, and then let's say you wanna void a shipping label for this order. You click on actions, and here at the bottom it says void label. Click on that, and then you select your reason, and then it tells you the time. So it gives you about 5 days to cancel it, and you click the reason, and then you send request. So after they cancel the request, after they void the shipping label, it normally, in my experience, it takes a few days for you to get your money back. But that's how you void a shipping label. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you.